This is MC Chaka. I'm your host for this insightful program. We bring this program to you every Wednesday and Tuesdays. Lawyer has already covered the English version on Tuesday. So tonight is the Twi version. And of course, we are here to discuss another legal matter. Viewers, tonight's program is very interesting. But before I go on to the topic, I will entreat each and everyone to share this program. Make sure you share this program to benefit anyone who obviously will need that information. This program is proudly sponsored by CITI Law Solicitors. CITI Law Solicitors, they've been our number one-stop legal firm, obviously helping us, educating us, and throwing light into all aspects of law. They've done a yeoman's job, and we give all of them the credit for what they've been doing. And we are fortunate enough to have lawyer Thomas Benyo, who is a partner of the legal firm, to be with us this evening to explore areas of law. And tonight, the topic is very interesting. But then before I go into the topic, what I want to say is you can share this program, you can drop your comments, and MC Chaka, I'll be very happy to obviously read them out and give you all the acknowledgement. A lot of people have been calling me, "Oh Chaka, we've been watching you from day one, but we don't hear our names." Please, if you really want to hear your name, make sure that you drop a comment and I'll gladly mention your name. All right, so this program is in Twi, and of course it will benefit our family, brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers who may not well be settled with the English language. So please make sure that you invite someone to enjoy the legal program, which lawyer has already covered on Tuesday in our local dialect. The topic for tonight, we'll be talking about how to make application or how to become British citizen through historical discrimination. We understand that there have been changes in the law, and what perhaps could have be disadvantage for someone or prevent someone from becoming citizen on the basis of maybe parents not being married couples, but then even though they are British family at that time of your birth, at that time wouldn't warrant automatic citizenship, or for you to get naturalization, or for you to get British, become a citizen. But the fact is that there have been changes to the law, and these changes have been backdated, and people who were disadvantaged at that time, who were unable to become British at that point, now that the law has changed, they are eligible and they can become or make application to become citizens. So this is really interesting, and of course it will benefit people. I mean, if not for you, for your brother, your sister, somebody who perhaps might have had their parents back in the days are British, can now revert and go back and make this application. So you see, it is very interesting. So it's in Twi, and I'm switching straight to Twi. For the church, so be here. And then anyway, Yabaha, the legal our Jumedia no ever so. You're from me MC Chaka. When I made board Jumedi home, Chame, I'm the host. Now, and then your topic no emu hami, Yabakasa afa. A kwanya omua omu mame omu papa na omu worry so no more British na ye wo no that time no woman tibi enyina so I meje omu book na so mama ye British citizens every say no mame no papa en worry no they friend historical discrimination. And name me lawyer Thomas Benyo or City Law Solicitors or dano e betwetwe nkomo na lawyer to ne boase a cheche mu ama ye hunu kwaya betimi afa so se saa ayiwe ato na wantimi amfa ontuma pemfra kwa befa so betima fa ontuma pemfra na dwumadi ye koso ewo Facebook account and as Facebook TV, my friend is City Media TV na City Law Solicitors na asoya sene. So wo hwe me bese wa na wa ma comment so de be betimi hu di na ma acknowledge you. After so say oh share now so share ammonia bi enya bi. Say na your first time I would share ya. But modia say obema dwumadi obe click notification button. Say de bia ebe bia no obeti enka na yetimi no ay dwumadi no abomu. And it is abri we travel home abasisi ya dwumadi no koso a you be phone lines at home, bet me up friend na watch and I say we'll be some question be a pebia Niqua say topic you question be a pebiano, bet much watching. Did we try more and check the lawyer Babbitt Massey na ye did you media so. TV someone will be uncle baby and we share program no, you try me home about the bus here. here for me mamunyina ajo eba legal hour jumedi so medene MC Chaka me na meda ano me na me host o ma sa jumedi so nkwan legal hour e jumedi so nkwan e de bremo e brada ene kwada bia Tuesdays and Wednesdays na ye betwetwe nkomo wo emra ho won sakraye anase changes aba emramotiti UK emra na eneso so waba yaba biem ebaya menimenia lawyer Thomas Bebenyo wo City Law Solicitors na ehia na ye ba betwetwe nkomo soronko na ye nkomo no emu hwam na ansana me ma lawyer akwaba no mesese obi bia wo hwe bia no be share dwumadie wo be click notification button no so de be ya de bia no na chese wanya notification no na watimi a join here wo be share so mo nua bi enya dwumadie ho mfa so we a free legal advice City Law Solicitors mo fra koma pamu na lawyer Thomas Bebenyo da no de bia no oba na obecheche mremu ne nsakraye ene enoma ibenya ne de abo ekotodwe mu nyumere so to ho ache dwuma na onam waba se oba becheche nsakraye na se emre no mu ama enya bi ede ato yekotodwe ti sewa obehye amonua bi enya bi jumadi we sa jumadi ade bremo na nyumere City Law Solicitors mo na da no mo na sponsor ye na edomase sa abrenia na ne twesa from anasa moba ombeta echi ema jumadi no ekoso enne jumadi a yebedi nkomo no yebekasa afa obrone say historical discrimination say opese who apply for British citizenship na umame ana wo papa bi that time no more British and aba ko British nimum aware omonware enti because of that na emrani tia se wontimi emeye automatic British so mo de sakraya bam enti lawyer be chechiri mu e de akwa echire ama yehunu baby a betimi akofree ensakra na ba any questions kakra ebusa lawyer enti yeso obeje akonya because citizenship e ade hu hie okroma tini bibia meka no so otina baby na se wanya ho asetena na se wanya ho nkrata ana wanya kuro so mfaso a na chese edi no bebreba na se yinyina ni ma kuro de utim na se unya sa no ya ye ka na so timi aka bi so o meso ye kroma ne na papa abetena kroma embassy years ago na umame abetena na that time mo fight enya citizen ya mfa ma wo a ne lawyer be cheche kwan ya o so betimi afaso na odi enya etibe ma lawyer Thomas Bebenyo akwaba na ya di dwumadie na hye so na mika etifo se yesremo a mo hwe no na mo ma comment say de be ya mehu because sometimes I'm for frame say chaka ya sure but mo yedi mesremo ni de kwaso nyame a ya mehu no because Facebook account no hu ni pa wo hwe no until say enipa no a comment asa no hu say oh osumasi na obenti na hwe me ti mo comment na atimi aboa na afeso so baby phone line start to me do it here na ubetimi a kwanya ho na mafre mo busa question bia lawyer wa idea na chese mo answer questions na kama ti me call lawyer ho na makoma na kwaba na edijima dia na hyehyɛ so lawyer Thomas Bebenyo City Law Solicitors mo akwaba so komba edijima dia so me ya
we gonna check am just
na important say
na me da che da me ase
oh good ye nya me ase e do ase so say abreni na oba na no be my advice free legal advice and they obetimi nya ho kakra no wo de makwa enti nya me hira wo etu ho achi dwumadi a wo ye edeboa etifo ne ahwefo and then more questions kakra ma na am say the questions na we ma no about topic here na topic no we say applying for British citizenship as there or on the basis of historical discrimination. Medical shasia, what the cabo historical discrimination, the that's my found starting free one. You can say historical discrimination na no, what do you ever find in Chechemono?
Events you can discrimination, I only say in Kofoa, term via employment law. Platform say discrimination, comes under the Equality Act. na your definition of discrimination, which is obe ye mpepaimu based on the concept the skin, which is the honam the color. And I said, "Na sorry, and I said because we are worried, and I said because we are painful, and I saw your bar and I bema some papa into discrimination. No, ye some papa muna me find say ufiba obi because of your bar, and because of your bema. Na we na we share British Nationality Act of 1981 na just say first 1948 Act, the 1981 Parliament passed the law 1978, not the 1981 Act by. Now so we share one just say discrimination be na asi which means say bi no more no more and I'm say bi oyo ba antino so ko wa bi ontumi emfa na British passport or one emfa emanema ibu ono mo and I'm say bi o mo are and say yam papa em ni na just amankofu bebre o hono mo a na nke so mo nya British passport and so and nam sa discrimination na e wo law ni mu no ema omo antumi anya sa nkrata no na we na say ya nkofo ya na ena nkofo I did say ba ba jinkofo passport without notice ehun na e bon nkofo hu bebre adia faso wo so bebre na e de mankofo no ye mo hu dwa sir ye mo hu dawru ena na me ba hu dawru no wo hwe sa Nationality and Borders Act 2022 na e wo mu say wo hwe notice of we na say be your passport sa notice ya na nkofo ba hu dawru a no anya ho na mo ani fiba wo hwe act ni mu section 8 no so eno so ya bia kwan ama nkofo bebre na nkomo ntumi enya British passport no omo so tumi nya British passport. Wow. Eno answer na me ba be kan atwi. Good.
All right. In the lawyer, me who sa historical discrimination na fe mo say na any is it what church discrimination I say na and wasa mo say wasa ka act which is the Nationality Border Act no 2022 no and no wait me acheche mu kakra dey na wasa emranum no sa legal act no
we sa act na me ka say there are about the most of mrano people na omo try say before can say consolidate no
okay yeah
and the TN say your citizenship section wo no your modern day slavery be a next 2 weeks e be ye nkofo omo so bitima gina some modern day slavery so they nyan krata next week okay next 2 weeks that's the section that we deal with.
All right,
but and that yes that's the citizenship aspect you are salam for so there one man there are some kinkies there and so with time let me was that church nkofo.
All right,
but sa act no section 8 na ke say ya ma changes abase sa papa emu na de ba na bia oh wow because e bia oye bema ana oye oba nti no ntumi fa book no emfa mo bi sisi ya nkofo bia odi be 50 bia odi be over 40 chese sa ni pa kono oye British and when I done nti no obetumi akugina so dia gene British passport
yo me da say you say me ba me do mo suko kakra because when the car say ya make amendments be now before me call no so no what's that bomb raba kudi say me tell last I was say British Nationality Act 1981
yes
and also so akotene ben na edi was ade we say mo
good hana tiene say yawo Nationality and Borders Act no we share in section 8 na some run on the aba no amendment in the British and Nationality Act no
okay
1981 na hono ultimate share section 4 na is a section 8 of the Borders and Nationality Act no I define some of these historical discrimination, you know.
All right.
And I'm making amendment. For instance, there is a British Nationality Act, you know, 1981. Now you insect EDB account say, see, no, from 28th of June 2022 no it is that man become British Nationality Act no just say we shall section 4E to 4J to section 4L le corner most of the historical discrimination no o mama hu kwan say ehwo na odina so a odi benya o British passport.
Okay. Nti is it be ra the was a historical discrimination nankasa and a kwan a obefa so a obetime ameki sa application no. Nti you can say sa amendment we any changes na a dear party pa na omode abamu in regards to the historical discrimination anti obetime gina so de anya naturalization as or citizenship we you can.
Good. I remember back scenario back. I think a couple of months ago. Okay. I think this year na program I say and obi free fee Ghana. And I make us say we very smart. Now I hear application to become British. Now or your application you know or they call passport office no. I'm not process here do baby. And on now my no ask for a lot of documents some family.
Okay.
Even do my practical situation example. Even there on fa bibi e kire say time I hear wo no. Na ne papa no o ware ne maame.
Okay.
So what you say? Enti akwana ya application no ma wodu ba bia so mo de passport e ma no. Wonyin but time I wo no ya wo no kroma se ne no ko Ghana. Na ne papa no won krata.
Okay.
But that time no age ya de wo no na che say emra no se na wo papa no ware wo maame a na che say entumi nyina so emfa British passport emma. Enti na che say ye treating ko for ma ware a omo wo nkola sa time no de omo tuminya omo man tuminya British passport.
Yeah.
Na wo a wo ware ye na wo akola sa time no tuminya British passport because we ban tuminya British passport.
Yeah.
Once a medical defining discrimination under the Equality Act 2010.
Yeah.
So definition na ba under the National Litigation and Borders Act no.
Okay.
Not just in this case marriage has been a source of discrimination.
All right.
Not just you treating for more worry, more favorable, better than a more worry. The way what they call legislative unfairness.
All right.
Or discrimination because who treat you be our say not dear the bad to me British passport, but the worry not dear. On to me a British passport. And an entire historical nonsense say a idea I see I show anything a historical discrimination.
Yo lawyer. It is a say me tiu na me tiu wasi ya say me wo kromwa ana say yemfa say me wo ho na in fact time I wo men that time no na me papa ene me maame yemfa say ba mu ba ko e wo nkrata and answer or passport.
Yes.
That time no name mo worry unche mo ne kire see changes no my own ram no metimi ne I mean metinye gina so say me papa that time no one nkrata eti yemfa mame ana me so change mo ma mo for mo ye.
Yes. Most of the time most of some kofo in America say one class one be share video most of some kofo we you know kofo a omo both times no omo abroad e bu okwa ne papa remember say omo army omo join army that time no omo the same right as we be an British passport.
Okay.
I mean for be okwa Ghana onu bi akọ bi o Ghana ni kru akọ kru bi so onu bi akọ that time no remember ana bi wo so kra mpo na oyoba otu kwan bi okotran Ghana na onu bi akọ obi kru ani ba ko no owu kru afiase. Now remember say some of these changes you know amended slightly before this major changes you already about because we share section 4C of the British Nationality Act now. Not just say oba or you're British now say or one ba before 1983 no because that 1981 Act became functional in 1983. Like I said, so ba go ne ba ewa amanone a because oyo oba no ti no ontumi emfa and transmit the British nationality no emfa man ba because oyo oba. Now we have Section 3C 4C no ma make amendments slightly say those times after that time we be to me unya no automatic but we be to me a register. So that's about women. So remember that this one is about discrimination on the basis of nipa kono yoba. We bema utumi. So what you say?
Yeah.
Good.
All right. It is say I don't maybe say me busa because one son partially, but me do room kakra. Na me feel say ebia answer na bitimi make application say na e was say ebia o UK ha na watimi agina so. Na omo wa mama amanana na ekwa be no befa so omo so betimi make this application.
Good. That's where the look, I'm a whole brief say just so heart na why British part. There were clients that under the current law no. Remember I said so we are British. Now call Ghana now no be ko wa akola automatic British.
Yeah.
Akola be British by descent. Has we another thing may explain the other sections Akwana be British by descent because Akwana be what they call first generation British.
Yeah.
Because ya wa kola na man on no. Say akola no a British by descent no. Ya wo no Ghana and wa get a British passport to Ghana and o dey be wuro. Say that chi ono so ko wo Ghana. Ne ba no any automatic British. So register because we are British by descent.
Okay.
Omo we are British otherwise by descent no. E will be a ya wo no kruma say and answer one naturalize wo kruma say. We are British otherwise by descent. Now, say an American obi wo Ghana, for example, before this 28 June, I had one of the potential clients. I said me contact ne papa or Scottish British.
All right.
Ono ne wo ye. Ono ne mame wo ye. Make us say you are back home has a baby sunyade or the Ghana passport na be wo. What you say? Now, Tama ne papa ene ne mame no wo ye no. No mo ware. Enti there is a historical discrimination here. Enti want to meet anya British passport. Now we stand in Perry me na am fatu because such changes we are ban.
Yeah.
O to me e won Ghana but obetumi apply.
Wow. Therefore we any gisem we asem a aba as say wo Ghana wo viase baby now one of your parents obano anabema no or British that time untimi as say akwanya da ho yebakoso na answer na many lawyer ebeto aso no me acknowledge my team for the machine for omo hwe sisi a no ma say am for am comment kakra yesem ho hwe me na so pese e bo dia no am comment and topic no ye kasa afa kwaya obetimi abaye British citizen based on historical discrimination. Na lawyer to the boss ya chichi mu say historical discrimination no maybe a twemu no say obetimi uwu na so oba no betimi abaye British citizen a gise parents no omo ya warefo so eno ade a na chese o dey mpo do baby kura no say ye ikwaje so oba no kura no ne betima register this oba be man kura na on kan no say another discrimination what to the boss ya chichi mu na say baby a wobobo so aduru no o say emra abansakra yedem am wakotu law no wakotu Nationality and Borders Act 2022 no was wakotu the British Nationality Act 1981. These are the emra hwemu a say ni nyina no wo de nsakra ya bam a betimi agina so na say wo Ghana wo hiyo parents back citizen and that's what you kromani a say akonya ba a betimi now so be British citizen and also be application into ade we say self to we in a can asem o say bibia ni ofutuo bie ni we papa se jikaka so botom ebi asa do to Ghana and I wash me. Ukaka utrimu a umame ebetena kruma because yen yen say back in the days na kruma ye maame fo no mbegu ha betena hanom na even umbetena benyinya nkrata na msa akokoye na bebusa lawyer questions ye koye nimo no na emo mansa ne betwa so no me acknowledge me viewers na when we say when say MC Chaka I'm CITI media so and away so we share your Facebook na what my comment Chief Lancaster me church ya chief and the chief abesrai on any wife or him Kathy or abesrai let me say this in English. We'd like to welcome you back to London, sweet Kathy. Welcome with your husband, Chief Lancaster. Thank you very much for the visit. We appreciate that, and we really acknowledge your presence actually, and for watching this program, Kathy, especially to you. And Chief, me church as I said, Otutu Nana Waba Nobasai. Any Vandas in our VMAs. Chief Vanda is Chief Caster is here anyway. Ernestina Kakari, also good evening. Abigail Asare, Osi, good evening. Derry Bakwe, da kwe, me aka semenua. Osi, good evening. I say yakwa, Hackney Mayor of Hackney. I say is watching. Osi, good evening, bosses. All right, Frank Kweku Amankwa, Frank Obrapene, the church senior bra. I say I'm watching you live in Asante Mampong. Keep it up. Thank you very much, bra. Thank you, I appreciate that. Kofi Lancaster, Chief Lancaster Namo. I say handsome lawyer, beautiful presenter. Good job, guys. Thank you. I say well done, bro. Thank you. I say Jinda Edusei Mother is watching live in Khaled. Mother live in Khaled. Ernestina Kakari. Ernestina says thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you very much, and God bless you in return, Ernestina. All right. Kofi Amwate. I say good evening, Mr. Thomas. Good evening to you too, Kofi Amwate. I say Jinda. Mother, it's true. I love any, saying true is I grow. Hey, what when you about? It was good to see you anyway. On Sunday, manage send me home and crying now. Yeah, Nana appear Mensa. Hey, Nana appear Mensa. We show someone on one day. You did Nana appear Mensa. Nana appear Mensa. Sick boom. Nana appear Mensa. Who said Nana? Nana, say so rare. Kofi Caster, Lancaster Chief, was the MC Chaka lawyer. Nobody sent. Dixon inti. Hey Dixon, I hope say Bibi Aboko. Good boy, Dixon. Dixon say good evening, masters. Good evening to you too, Dixon. I hope somewhere. Alright. Isaac Emisa, I say good job, lawyer. Thank you very much, Mr. Emisa. Thank you. It is I think I will share Momodia so be share program na also when you home for so. You go so busa lawyer question. Na say maybe you have a legal maybe within 1 hour, there can be 30 minutes. But maybe phone line start from along the line. Now will be all question be also so it's me bisa. Your lawyer, my member also be more or down. Say there were 2 boys here chichi me, I'm out for any agent who pay a year. Now, I mean, put to this scenario. Say, may papa be an big papa will be mammy, and maybe a chum better now from her, and obey your passport, and also be a citizen of her. But say, papa, no, we're training near dying, and our mamma no, we're training near dying. Some crofona who fall into that category, no. Almost so, Aquanya da home, same po, but the parents did be a crumani, now we're training near Aredano, or Tinu Aquanya Sobayana.
Yes, remember, I said, this program, my cousin, look, there's a lot of good things in this Nationality and Borders Act. But to my surprise, and I realized a lot of lawyers know about notice, and all those things. The fact is that this thing goes a core beyond to even grandparents. But I mean, percent very confusing for. So I'm taking it one thing at a time. So let's deal with parents. Parents now. And obviously,
first generation.
First generation, yes. Okay. Obviously, next week, you better grandparents. If you are crying now, no go baby. You say sometimes when no, look, even those colonies, those times they were in the colonies, British citizenship because they were in the colonies, This then trace back because it's historical discrimination. So you can see that some people may still have their grandparents, but I don't want to go there because I want to do that one this week.
Okay, that's
but
fine.
Obviously, you know, said Yama, these practical examples, for example, Mame, those before the 1983, you know, could not transmit that. And Omwana, me father say, remember I say, I want people to percent of also tears, yes, some of these changes, you know, has happened in the act, but now and go far enough. For example, what share Akola no Kruma say before July 2006 say ne maame no ne papa no omware ya onye automatic British. After that, you know, mba say Akola 2007 2008 elkona. So ne maame ne papa nware kwa na papa ne British or automatic British.
Okay.
So what the main tries to explain say we are there elko beyond that.
Okay.
Obo wa nyan krata no. Bo kwa ye wono ha si sa ta menam se nam na no e ma ne kwan ma ne nyan krata nti no. Akọ tran Ghana. What you say?
Okay.
Because remember I said mama example we mama say obi kwa ye won be before 2000 and what do you call it? 2006 work on. Now if the parents were not married at that time this already start. But even that no or more not more year before 1981 ya wo more abroad no. If they were not married, won't me and transmit it. What I say?
Yeah.
Good. And most of these people, and as I'm aware, there is legislative unfairness.
All right.
So because will be a worried there, on a batch me a British passport. Na some brand of Chomukono, don't know the own worry, you know, you're man a British passport.
Yeah.
When I'm running cancer, sir, legislative unfairness, no, discriminating about marriage, which is would it be our worry better, much better than will be a non worry. In the past, now man a passport, no, and no more cancer. So I'm right with section 80, no, abano, cancer, says uncle for Nina, or mutumi, apply, no more passport.
Your lawyer, you say. Say, unya botre na uchechire mu, ama yihu de ekoso. Answer me busa question, me near Desmond, Desmond, we fache me. Or say chaka you skip me, fache me. I'm say Facebook, you know, yana udika comment ya na wan share, wo na eko, ube lose comments ni nyina nti bu hono ma wo read na skip it. And ntina mama kan ba wo de mum say de biade wa na Shibu, that's why you're always available. In fact, right now I have to put you on my. I don't even need to watch it, but I'll still acknowledge you. Thank you very much for supporting this program. We appreciate that very much. This one, thank you. All right, lawyer. But me musa question. I feel that you may be pay in chimu high pa because Madam Fukufida Monica said, "Was it chroma de bibia evidence na application waka say we mean say nye transfer because ntimi you see emfa anuhunu anantu hunu enkoba sasore dem what I say you have to hold something in it kuma say we pay sa application we ya e die nyina so ana yeso wo because if you make say kwana papa yi ana ma me say me wo free mu ana so ya yi kura the passport kura mu ana the bibi kura onya yi it will need evidence bi and die pa na so wunya to prove or to evidence your free application die pa na so wunya.
Yes, remember I say anytime via na we share samra we omodi abana home office they also guidance so aba.
Okay,
they always give a guidance now so be for example na so we kruma say there is always a death certificate. Or which may apply for a copy of it to get. So we could a copy of that death certificate, you know. Nothing about Ukran now best setter. Obviously, the Bakono will know. Senidina also as a father, it will show say where your papa.
Okay.
What I say. And you have to show say where your offspring, which is a child of saa nipa koro no sɛ wo kura no a it doesn't really matter mmara no ɛka sɛ saa time no na nka ɛsɛ wunya asetra no woanya yɛbie mmara no amu ato hɔ ma wo nti no sɛ wotumi show sɛ saa nipa koro no na ɔyɛ wo papa na nka ɛsɛ yɛde nkrataa ma wo na nam sɛ na ɔnware wo maame nti no yɛamfa ama wo deɛ a ɛndeɛ saa mmara wei ɛkɔba wo sɛ sɛ ɔmode ma wo.
Right. So we application. That's especially even here we now you know. In himself, they ask for a lot of information about one kasa a friend said papa no and our mama no. What I say, for instance, they want to see something like maybe a British passport, and I say be to show say in the citizen. Can you just rely on the date of birth and any full name? Say those documents in the but one checking system. So if you should easy amount.
Remember, say if Obi a British is no longer in dispute. Remember, let me just give you a practical example. I had sometimes passport office. Recently, I think somewhere last year, August.
Okay.
Will be a passport application. Emma neba. I want no man on name.
Okay.
No person de Nkolano Bakrumazi. This is a case law that has gone all the way to the Supreme Court. Now, nipa kwane ya application, you know, so person de Nkolano Bazi. Normally, no, because the papa na ye British citizen, no. Like I said, so or man a consent. Remember, I say or maybe say papa no sign a consent. Now, papa no sign.
All right.
Because on person, my man no better passport a man kolano. Now, omode kolana ba kudu we. Because on our British, no.
Yeah.
Now, I'm more refusal we no. My man the case no call for judicial review. Emma omo ka say. Me ma example. Say, in a case where, for example, there have been an abuse, domestic abuse. Now say, papa non per se, or will provide this evidence now. Passport office, they have once with the date of birth and the information, they know that this person is British. And then when you say, papa no will provide this information, no, complete and some of may issue passport. Especially when there has been an abuse. My man own to me approach papa no, and provide this consent. No.
All right.
So in the same case, no, which was idea we are Home Office provided guidance. And you know, it's not say if so be Okrumas in our British, obviously, you know, passport office will be aware. And I don't think that the back has to find a passport plan and send on what you I should. So what I say.
All right. Internal, not just a few more. The list of information I'll be near and the agent say only papano was relationships with papano.
Yes.
Home Office for now because meeting me at the gate.
That's right.
Now
because this cases is based on historical discrimination. Okay. So obviously, you know, they are actually so they are aware.
Yeah, quite say when Russian. In fact, therefore, Emrano, maybe as a way ya name for our mama shame and the gate who changes na bana. Maybe a month for between for true again. So the lawyer has a month for Cassia, but didn't perform crata, if you didn't perform crata mono. So there will be a new chapter. Ama in perform cra, and see a more crata based on historical discrimination. It is a friend of as a topic and then you discuss it. Now, maybe a phone line is not too much, and maybe a tomorrow. Mr. Mama, read City Media, the discrimination. The disclaimer. Your disclaimer now, said the way you will say, your boy home by. Okay, legal hour exclusion note. Also, the opinions and advice in this video are intended for general information purposes only and should not be substituted or should not be used as a substitute for professional advice. CITI law solicitors and the authors or presenters are not responsible for any direct or indirect result arising from any reliance placed on videos, including any loss and exclude liability to the full extent. That's just said, the mechanic say, a free legal advice. City media and the Bremo, your dear football, every city law solicitors. They won't and yes, city law for the most share information and the amount I say. Same body could 3 months one adequate BBA. Then the whole nessa winya emrenim for Emma almost chassis. Emma war, nobody cracked our chassis. I said, no more castle. Oh, we did. I to say, your name will be see information. The amount of pesos udi kujina baby. Now one cast out the yeah, that's just why your home pocket lawyer no more be information. And he need watch. So he need watch. But so we here emrenim for ama. Wow, legal matters biana and penny for say obi si trododo matwa. Saso na obi ennom edro mayare for. Ti bo modia say obi tutu na pampampai. Na waba city law solicitors or me kanfo city law solicitors amount. We say me de mani ehunu na maso ate. Esi de ani ehunu ne de ate ni di ho adanse. Me hu dwuma pa omoye, me hu di omoye ma before Ghana for Nigeria for even abrofo nyina ba ho ti bo modin say emremu de se bibi kire wadwena entena fie na menye na ankoye se bi hu yanka City Law Solicitors ewo unit 113 Barking Enterprise Center, address near number 50 Cambridge Road, Barking, Essex, IG 118FG. Say upie free Barking station honoma say dey be a lawyer kan o say KFC bi o KFC no free KFC we are 10 year no about straight or on side right we free station and not 10 right we be straight down na we be build on a Barking Enterprise Center e ho pepepe we be do honoma no be for unit 113 say ba na say wo jira na wo pa kwanche na so person no mudi nkomo and sakra no waba na bibi kire wa dwunu person wo hu say wo pa appointment na slaughter. Telephone number is 020-3355-0782. Is this will be 020-3355-0782. And therefore, City Law Solicitors, Oma Ben, Omo Yakuku Dam, Kesia Pa, Ewo Mremu, Omo Ye Immigration Law, Employment Law. For immigration law, and they be an ye. They be a tie, the say lawyer, the immigration law, dear, or Catene in neighbor, immigration law, oh, just a more. Employment law, and also so ya debia would more could say pa. City law is an accredited family law. Family law, no, they've got more body can say our family law, UK. Just say ye can't law firms are omutimi family law na omo daso say pa. Ti ya more special accreditation family law. Personal injuries and clinical negligence. Uba personal injury say bibia ye wo adwuma mo wa pro say wanya kan kwanhia insurance and everything omo be ni nyina ma clinical negligence be akọ hospital na ya van say on sa na ye ya na wo be ko na afi mo ko bum kra no ana akọ ye wani na afi wani no akọ ye yi no ni nyina on be ya ma commercial disputes and civil litigations ni nyina omo ye housing law, consumer law, and afi media and entertainment law. It's when you talk about law, just almost all aspects of law. And they back on omo ya e yesun kokra e business omo business no. Say business now person boana omo draft bibi ma o contract and that's we bibia business for nyina momra obaya mamo say careful and say ati say na wo care and I would dwumadi bi na pese if you can see him for cry amount quite and to me now Timmy Kofanko full free Ghana ebe ye dwuma wa bra obeje sa a license no and I said obama sa kunya na mam ti mo dia asem no bedi nkomo City Law Solicitors that ombe bibia opebia amount ewo emremo therefore say you be beautiful nice bathroom na Mr. Money dey kwa so Mr. say ube free number no and I'm ready to screen so no but me bebo for the benefit of more or more me mo try na offer na bibia akoso studio number no is 079 32 93 4518 079 32 93 4518. The address will be 074 40 33 8623. 074 40 33 8623. Yes, someone you tremble na my friend ama bibia akoso. Yes, someone need your question be phone lines no atom. Question be up bibia no utimi frɛ ebusa lawyer wa hɔ deɛ ɔbɛyɛ wadom na ɔbɛyɛ adom na wansa question no ama atoasomo nti yɛtwɛn mu so yɛtwɛn mu na no St. Patrick ne makoboate also good to hear this. Thank you very much, Mr. Patrick. Ti yɛtwɛn sɛ phone lines lawyer bi no amanfo be frɛ na lawyer yɛtwɛn no Mr. Wa de waka him safi no bi aba ana bi wɔ na akwanya na mamusa wa bomodia ne fa shema ye ne bo ne tofa abra yɛtwɛn amanfo amoma frɛ wadarobo
atie moment ane ahwefo me da obias enanadwi yɛba sɛ yɛba yɛmemu rankofo emra aba mfaso also mankofo na tabia yɛba onda wu sɛ bɛyɛ mfaso aba so amankofo de yɛka ne sɛ wohwɛ emra from the ba no Nationality and Borders Act no 2022 no we share section 8 corner actually say nkofo na kane no na nka muntumi enje British passport papa mu a aban mla aban hye ya na kyese dem papa mu eba na obi won my so de oyo ba enti wo a muntumi emfa British passport no ema wo ba enti wo so bi wo kwa na saa time no okọ Ghana oyo ba ana okọ wo no mo ne pano pikura ba na wadi bia be 50 want me anya British passport because na mama ain't me for British passport no ebi unso so kwa ampo na senko bi kwa frame ebi wa kwa ampo na ye wo no ha sei na bia because na mama ne papa enwaro ye no want me anya British passport et na go transfer oni krata ana sisi ai ebi wa unso so kwa ampo na ye wo no abano ne ono so bia na mama ne papa omo nwaro ye ntinti no. Yes, because of that, you know, and Frank Kratamano.
Yeah.
And it's uncle for winning. A buying at time was to swim when we say, you do among you. Not just say, what shall run out medical cast and more than be a platform is make implemental law once a month. What shall Equality Act in 2010 now? When we say, the definition of discrimination. Ibine say will be our range, you know, first of all, with the own way, na teach you be our more favorable than you. And I say, Ubia, me fan say, where your bar, Tino, be a no do any, now there, or not do a bear man, or be a so. And so discrimination. Now, so definition we, no man can say, and now must say, Caneno, ya ma crime man for passport, I'm on ma. Ya more, or more, I'm from passport, I'm on man. So I'm rano, and yet, a bon say, Intino. Omwa omontumi nya saa nkrata no saa time na ye wo mo no abaya biem se omontumi je omkrata kakra be kan no
yo aje from say lawyer body tofa enti bomodia say wa unimu bi na say saa akwanya no e wo homa na nipa no beba na obeyi ti say ye twe ama amafo afre enche bia na ye sorry so na ye twe no me body rule and I say me ma etifo aswate say care worker sponsorship visa scheme no ibusua ekoso akwanya na ba for even students omo ha on pese omo switch ebe care no and now emma student visa no engo ansa na waba be hu yesi anyama sabri ya na ayi no ho no ebetimi aswitch ama ya gibe 5 years kra no itibomodin asa oni be free especially students no afeso so mo Ghana no nwa bi o Ghana no bi o Ghana omodi asa obo frɛ na ibetimi anywhere twem komo na yehu kwaya befa so ama onipa na beka ho sa obeba na adwuma wo ho enti akonya bebre wo ho no a ibetimi de krofo aba ti omodi asa obo frɛ na bibia akoso ama me fa akonya so I congratulate Preseki for yay Preseki for congratulations. I'm working say don't pay. Preseki for nyina me dan for mo preseka mo ko lego doctor be checha mo. Congratulations That day Abroyi Pumakwem. Ama since 1995, I said 1994. Prempe discipline one, and then Abroyi Pumakwem mama and then what me winnie the trophy. He said this is your 7th time. That is the title. I'm open last year. I am your preventive one. Say, now say we serving a living God. Not just when you're 7. And a premper former who dreams the car them. And then your other Roma. I'm saying a good woman. I might say Mofa 7th trophy. Your boy is Samamo. Will be described myself preset for why say Real Madrid or size and masquerades. No. I agree because my very consistent. Na Namisha, congratulations. Say Moya dear. Na motive do that, you know. At this Saddle College, at this school for in fact, oh you be honma, say this year me deno. The way are Sanum Nona Mesha, disco, disco, Moya dear pa. Some ultimate qualify even to the grand finale. No? It's not easy. So may ultimate raw. Who school may ultimate raw. And the disco for well done to you guys. Say at least multiple ever compete with Presec and Prempe College. Now to my Prempe College. I'm on for seniors. The King's College. And then you concording pa. Ya ma Presec for no I'm far adeno on the silver platter. Come on, funny fella. There be from round 1 to round 4. They couldn't brief. You saw one minute. But he ain't so come for no. So I read the family. Read the Takashina and from Presec for the day. From time immemorial. Read have it's always been their stronghold. Until say you do speed race when you to me and chill. Now problem of the day the to me I'm for one second level. Now at least you lead on by 8 points. You lead on 1 point. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. Now still at 1 point and at 2 points you lead on 1. Me, that means about me lose straight away. I said the only the friends say Brazil air ball. Now uno ma could do finance wa bro bia she be na penalties. Omo penalties nebo chemo. Radio no is for them. And until amount for last year, ya chiumu kakransa na yebiti omo radio ye eno cry nya ba kono munya be to basta o man to ye. Ti 80.1 the BT omo. But boys my idea. I mean sure mo say Mati Prempe name. At least we've always been consistent. Say last year you win here, not this year. Ye timi aqua finance. Until ya mean sure amount for say mutimi konko den. Na ya say he who fight and run away comes back to do what? To fight another or to win another battle. What I say, until let's go, get prepared, come back next year and win the battle. Thank you very much. I'm on for. But church I'm in a private college for more be soon. More soon more from Bruno. More be soon. But church I'm all right. And therefore, it is every year the Akonya way, like I say, Ubia must say your bahan more na muti dwumadi legal advice na mo share so open dwumadi na eda so e wo lawyer Thomas Benyo ho ni ko ne page Solicitor Thomas Benyo and I say City Media TV on Facebook on sabeka dwumadi na wotimi ahwebi say afei na waba yesro wa yepon a obetimi a revisit open English version na lawyer ye Tuesday enra English version da honom enti same topic ya enti a topic no dey manage ho pa apply for British citizenship on the basis of historical discrimination. Enti idea emu enyampa ye. Yame adoma next week you better with second version of the same thing, but then say the lawyer kind of you beko ancestral and I say based on maybe grandparents or stuff like that, second generation. So you see a kind historical, which is directly to maybe the first one here, your parents. So my second one, you go to next level, which is your grandparents. So una na be the veteran chroma and so akonya wo lawyer ebitimi I explore that area no. Ti e bada say ya me hira mo say mama dwumadi no akoso na yetimi ewi asundie mo. Me dey MC Chaka, me dey lawyer Thomas Benyo na di dwumadi no abramo from the studio of City Media. say akrakra mo, bye bye.